Today on Finding California Plants, we're going to be looking at one of the most beautiful and beneficial of the California native shrubs, and that's the amazing California buckwheat. There are hundreds of species of buckwheat native to California, but today we are going to be talking about Eriogonum fasciculatum, or California buckwheat. This plant is one of the foundation plants of the California chaparral and sage scrub ecosystems, and is such an important plant for native pollinators and other native species that no home landscape should be without one. I honestly believe that if you're going to only have one native California plant, this should be it. Eriogonum fasciculatum is a dense, mounding, evergreen shrub with small green leaves. It has a generally roundish shape and will usually grow to 4 feet tall and wide, though with regular water they can grow much taller. California buckwheat flowers are a lovely cream color, often tinged with pink, yellow, or white. They start appearing in the late spring, and then at the end of the summer they turn first a rusty red and then a deep chocolatey brown color. At every stage, they are simply gorgeous. California buckwheat is native to Southern California and northwestern Mexico. It is found from the coast of California and Baja eastward into the Mojave Desert and Great Basin. It is very versatile in its environmental selection, growing on southern-facing slopes and dry washes in diverse habitats, including chaparral, coastal sage scrub, grasslands, sagebrush scrub, pinyon juniper woodland, and creosote brush scrub. California buckwheats should be the backbone of any pollinator garden. They are an extremely popular nectar source for bees, butterflies, and lots of native insects. Native birds, such as the California towhee, use them for food, cover, and nesting. Butterflies that utilize the buckwheat include the Acmon blue, blue copper, and Electra buckmoth butterfly. Birds that eat the leaves and seeds include house finches, dark-eyed juncos, spotted towhees, California towhees, and California quail. Eriogonum fasciculatum is an excellent foundation shrub in USDA zones 7 to 11. It works great when planted in California native, drought-tolerant, wildlife, and pollinator gardens. It works well as a slope stabilizer, in a border, or in a themed garden surrounded by sage, cactus, boulders, or brickwork. Buckwheats grow easily in containers and can be used to make lovely bouquets of dried flowers. If you're looking for a smaller buckwheat cultivar, there are 3 that I know of: Warner Lytle, introduced by Theodore Payne Foundation; Dana Point, introduced by Tree of Life Nursery; and a new one from the Fullerton Arboretum that will hopefully end up being called Sleeping Titan if I have my way about it. These all have a low-growing, spreading habit. Maintenance and propagation. Buckwheats look good for most of the year. They are tough and easy to grow, even in very dry conditions. It prefers a well-draining, sunny site, but will tolerate clay soil and also hard frost. Maintenance is very easy. They stand occasional pruning to shape, don't mind hedge trimmers, and look best if dead flowers are trimmed off at the end of the year. California buckwheat grows effortlessly from seed. The seeds require no pre-treatment and will sprout in less than 1 month. It also grows readily from stem cuttings. So in summary, Eriogonum fasciculatum, or California buckwheat, can be purchased at any California native plant nursery or fall plant sale, and like most native plants, should be planted out in the late fall to take advantage of the winter rainy season. This will give it a chance to leaf out and get their roots in the ground before the heat of summer arrives. Thank you for watching California Plants. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. If you have any questions or just want to talk about your love of the amazing California buckwheat, put them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.